The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before it can enter the engine. Debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the tool run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, serious damage can occur. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter. Now I can install the new air filter. I place the gasket inside the housing, making sure that it fits tightly. With the filter in place, I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's all it takes to replace the air filter on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.